Hello, my name is Asavari Anil Reddy. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. Today, I am going to discuss about measurement of conductance by Wheatstone bridge method. So, measurement of electrical conductance of solution involves the determination of resistance R of the electrolytic solution. Then, conductance is determined by reciprocal of resistance. Generally, Wheatstone bridge circuit is used for the measurement of resistance. In the circuit, comparison of unknown resistance is made with a standard resistance. The arrangement of Wheatstone bridge circuit is as shown below. Here, C is equal to conductive. Here C is equal to conductivity cell containing solution of electrolyte as one arm of circuit. Rs is equal to variable standard resistance as other arm of circuit. AB is equals to uniform resistance wire on metal bridge. S is equal to source of AC and G is equal to galvanometer. So conductivity cell C is connected to point A of wire AB and variable resistance RS is connected to point B of wire AB. Source of AC is also attached to both ends of wire AB. Then, according to Wheatstone bridge principle, the ratio of resistances in the meter bridge are and arms are equal this. Since RS is shown and AX and BX can be determined through experiment, the resistance of cell RC can be calculated. Reciprocal of RC gives the conductance of the experimental solution. Now here we will discuss about electrolytic conductance. So solution of electrolytic also obey Ohm's law and relates as I is equal to E by R, where E is equals to voltage in volts, I is equals to current in ampere, R is equal to resistance in ohm. In electrochemistry, the term conductance is used instead of resistance R. So conductance is with which the current flows through a conductor or solution, and it is a reciprocal of resistance. C is equals to I 1 by R. Unit is equals to ohm and is to 1 or mho. Now, specific resistance. Resistance of any uniform conductor varies directly as its length and universally to its area of cross section A. R is directly proportional to L by R by A, and R is directly proportional to P L by A, where P is called as specific resistance. If L is equal to 1 centimeter and A is equal to 1 centimeter square, then R is directly proportional to density. Hence, specific resistance is defined resistance of a solution of 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter square cross section area. In other words, density in the resistance of 1 cc of solution. Here, the cell constant is determined using the 1m, and the resistance of KCl solution is measured by Wheatstone bridge as shown in figure. AB is the uniform wire, Rx is the variable known resistance placed in cone arm of Wheatstone bridge. The resistance, the conductivity cell containing KCl solution of a known resistance is placed in the outer arm of its stone bridge. D is a current detector if F is the sliding contact that X is the sliding contact that moves along AB. AC represents the source of alternating current. The sliding contact is moved along AB until no current flows. The detector D shown no deflection. According to Wheatstone bridge principle, R by L is equal to Rx by BC. Hence, resolution integration AC is equal to LBC multiplied by Rx. By measuring length AC and BC and known Rx, resistance of KCl solution can be calculated. The cell constant is given by cell constant KCl multiplied by R solution. The conductivity of KCl solution is known. The cell constant thus can be calculated. So measurement of electrical conductance of solution involves determination of resistance R of the electrolytic solution. Then conductance is determined by reciprocal resistance. After that, there is the molar conductance. Definition of the molar conductance is the conductivity power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte in a given volume of solution. The formula is AM is equal to K by 1000 bar divided by M, where M is molarity. Unit is ohm centimeter mole per cube. And now it is about cell constant. It's about equivalent conductance. So definition of equivalent conductance is the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in a given volume solution. Now, what is specific conductance? Now, specific conduction. The conductance of a solution enclosed between two electrode of 1 centimeter area of cross section is separated by a resistance of 1 centimeter. It is a reciprocal of specific resistance. Ohm's law. The current flow following through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference arms. Its ends provided temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. Formula is V is equal to IR, where R is resistance, unit is potential difference V, that is volt V, current ampere, current I is equal to ampere, resistance ohm, and then and now come to the point that conductance measurement by Wheatstone bridge circuit. So we have covered in this video that the method of conductance measurement by Wheatstone bridge circuit, and the diagram we have seen uh, from the, and also we have seen the molar, what is molar conductance, and we have covered that the concept of equivalent conductance, cell constant, and we discussed about specific conductance also, Ohm's law also. So I hope you will get all the point clearly cleared. So that was for today. Thank you.